Hello my friends, are you up for a little experiment? Don't know how this is going to work. Today's prompt is transparent. I was thinking about transparent. A lot of times people make really beautiful prints using different kinds of transparent paints. Most paints, art paints, will give you some kind of a clue as how opaque it is. This one is showing that it's kind of half opaque, half transparent. So this is a medium. Then you have some that are really transparent, like not semi. I don't know if I have one that's really. This one shows a square that's completely empty. That means it's very transparent. And you can get some really cool effects using all transparent paints, because then each layer shows through the other layer instead of completely covering it up. Here's a completely opaque, which will really obliterate the layers underneath if you put it on with any thickness at all. So what do you do when you want to use transparent paints but you don't have very many? I thought I'd give it a try to experiment with adding gel medium. What gel medium is basically is paint without the color. So I thought we'd give this a try. Not really sure how it's going to work, but you never know till you try. So if I mix some of this with one of my paints that's not very transparent, I should get something that's a little more transparent. And especially if I need to clean that off. If I don't use very much of the pigmented paint, then I should just get a very transparent. See, and it doesn't take very much to color that gel medium, does it? We'll do a test. How about we do a test? I'll put about the same amount of that as the straight paint. Yeah, that's a little bit more over here. Okay, now I'm going to just roll it out. Yeah, you can already see a difference. And it's not so much that it's a lighter pink, it's just that more light gets through, so that when you take a print, of course I didn't have any paper ready. I'll print on this one. When you print it, the effect is, because it's on white paper, it just looks like I used a lighter pink, but really all it is that more of this is showing through. Okay, so let's try it with, I don't need any more of that, I want more gel medium. Let's try it with a stencil and see what happens. That's a lot of paint. Okay. That's okay. Lots of paint. You can see how thin, and you can see it really see through to the back side of the gel plate. Okay. Let's see, do I have a piece of paper that has nothing on it? Since we're experimenting, I can use all sorts of paper. It doesn't really matter what I'm doing. Okay, that's one layer. Nice. Okay. Now let's pull that up and put that onto here, just to get that off of there. Because the next layer I'm going to do a different color. What color should I use? Wonder what happens if I use something that's really contrasty. This might be really ugly. Oh, but it might not, you never know. This is that green I used the other day. A bit of green. Just a touch. And a bit of gel medium. Maybe a little bit more. Okay, and clean that off. Don't really want to mix the colors too much. And that just tints up that gel medium to a nice spring green. Can't believe spring is right around the corner, can you? Okay, move that over there. Oops. And this time we'll put the, I don't know, I could use a different whatchamacallit, you know, this thing. Can't think of the word. Stencil! Ugh. Yeah, that's the look that I've seen many people get, where you can see the white, you can see the pink, and you can see the green. So anyway, if you're wanting transparent paint, just mix some of your opaques, or even semi-opaques, with some gel medium. I happen to have, the only thing I had on hand was gloss medium, but you could use matte gel medium. Anyway, that's kind of fun. There you go. That's for the prompt today of transparent. Okay, I'm going to clean up my mess and move on with my day. Till next time.